Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, sorry, my hair is in the camera. Anyways, so I know I said it would be off, but I had to make this video of the 14th day of rain in a row, and today is BAD. Here, I'll show you outside of my room, my bedroom window, but then I'll go outside later, and it is bad. Hold on. It doesn't look like that bad right now, but wait until I go upstairs in a second. Hold on. So yeah, I'll be right back.
Oh yeah, there's hail.
It's hailing, apparently. Okay, that was bad. Jeez, it's hailing, and I don't know if you saw that, but you obviously heard it. It was that huge thunder that scared me, into running back in here. And I twisted my knee, and now it hurts. I, popped the kneecap, and now it hurts. Okay. Anyways, so yeah. It is bad, and it is hailing, and it hit my feet, and it hurt. My poor foot. My poor foot. Yes, my foot is not that pretty. Anyways, ow, my shirt is bang. Or my neck, yeah. Oh, also, I have a really cute outfit on today, and I'm going to show you. Okay. Can't really see it. Hold on. Hold on, be right back. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I wore those glasses because of my identity. So yeah, I hope you liked my outfit too. Yeah, suspenders with shorts and a Scully shirt. No, I'm not a nerd. I just thought it'd be funny, and I want to wear nerd glasses with it. Yeah, I'm gonna ask if I can borrow my sister's nerd glasses, cause it's kind of that cool punk nerd, you know? Yeah. I love Scullies. As you can tell, I have a Scully little, whatever you call it, in a Scully shirt. I love Scullies. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite thing ever. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.